morning students, welcome to our new class. Myself Manoj Chotia from Raghunath Vidyalaya. Today's our topic is a new lesson of plant physiology, 12th lesson of our book Nitrogen Metabolism and Nitrogen Cycle. Nitrogen metabolism and nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen is the most abundant gas found in the atmosphere. Its quantity is approximately 78% in the atmosphere. Nitrogen is the main component of protein found in the body. It is present in plants in the form of nucleic acid, vitamin, protein, amino acid, enzyme and any other organic compound. Plant with air also absorb nitrogen through stomata, but it cannot be assimilated in this form, means in nitrogen form. Plants gets nitrogen only by soil because in soil it is present in the form of compounds containing organic and inorganic nitrogen. Free nitrogen present in the gaseous stage cannot be utilized by highly developed living organism, but some bacteria, fungi, blue-green algae are capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen into its components. These microbes can be found in independent or in symbiotic state. Dry weight of nitrogen-rich compounds in plants is about 5 to 30% of the entire of the plant, which demonstrates its importance in a plant. It is a controlling nutrient element. Its deficiency leads to many types of plant disease, which we study in the mineral nutrition chapter. Plant uses following 4 types of nitrogen rich compound. First, nitrite, second, nitrates, third, ammonia compound, and fourth, nitrogen containing carbonic compounds. After the absorption of nitrogen by plants, various organic compounds are produced. Some microorganisms fix atmospheric nitrogen into its components and some are freely living. ये कन्वर्ट मीन्स क्या है कि नाइट्रोजन जो है वो प्लांट्स जो है सीधे काम में नहीं ले सकते, ठीक है। तो इस नाइट्रोजन को इसके कंपोनेंट्स में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है और ये कन्वर्ट करने का काम जो है वो कौन करते हैं? माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म करते हैं, जो कि प्लांट सॉइल में रहते हैं और वो क्या करते हैं? जो एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन है उसको कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं इसके कंपोनेंट में, ठीक है। और जो टोटल नाइट्रोजन जो कन्वर्ट की जाती है इसके कंपोनेंट्स में, ठीक है। और कंपोनेंट्स में कन्वर्ट करने के बाद में प्लांट क्या करते हैं? इसको एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं और एनिमल्स जो प्लांट को खाते हैं तो एनिमल्स में ये नाइट्रोजन आ जाती है और उसके बाद में प्लांट और एनिमल्स की डेथ के बाद में ये नाइट्रोजन जो है वो डीनाइट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरिया के द्वारा वापस उसको नाइट्रोजन के कंपोनेंट्स को वापस नाइट्रोजन में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाता है। तो ये सारा प्रोसेस जो है वो क्या कहलाता है? नाइट्रोजन साइकिल, ठीक है। और नाइट्रोजन साइकिल जो है वो 4 पार्ट्स में अपन इसको डिवाइड करते हैं। कौन कौन से? नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन, अमोनिफिकेशन, नाइट्रिफिकेशन एंड डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन। तो ये अपन पढ़ेंगे नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन, अमोनिफिकेशन, नाइट्रिफिकेशन एंड डीनाइट्रिफिकेशन. First of all, we discuss nitrogen fixation. The first reaction of nitrogen cycle is nitrogen fixation. As you know, 2 nitrogen atom in a molecule of nitrogen gas are inactive due to presence of triple bond. Due to presence of triple bond, nitrogen is inactive. It requires large amount of energy to break the bond and form new bonds. The process of nitrogen fixation in the biosphere take place in different steps that could be understood by the following flow chart. Means first abiotic nitrogen fixation and then after biotic nitrogen fixation. Whenever any non-living substances convert nitrogen into its component, then it is called abiotic nitrogen fixation. And whenever a living organism convert nitrogen to its component, then it is called biotic nitrogen fixation. I write in a short NF. NF means nitrogen fixation. First, abiotic nitrogen fixation is of two types: atmospheric nitrogen fixation and industrial nitrogen fixation. The effect of lightning and ultraviolet rays in nature mainly combined with the nitrogen present in the atmosphere and form nitric oxide. Nitrogen and oxygen combines with lightning or thundering in nitrogenic oxides and it forms nitric oxide. Nitric oxide recombines with oxygen and form nitrogen dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide react with water and makes nitric acid, and nitric acid goes to the soil with the help of rain, and where it react with alkaline substances to form nitrate, which is absorbed by plants. So this is atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Means whenever in the atmosphere there is lightning or thundering, so from that energy nitrogen combines with oxygen and makes nitrogen oxide, and nitrogen oxide react with another oxygen molecule and makes nitrogen dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide react with water and make it nitric acid or nitric acid, and this nitric acid comes to the soil with the help of rain, and then plant is absorbed with in alkaline substances. This type of nitrogen fixation is up to 10% of the total nitrogen. Means which one? Atmospheric abiotic nitrogen fixation is 10% of the total nitrogen fixation, and this method to form ammonia is known as Haber method. Then second, industrial nitrogen fixation. In the industrial nitrogen fixation, in the presence of high pressure and catalyst, atmospheric nitrogen and hydrogen combine to form ammonia, which is used to make chemical fertilization at industry level. Means N2 plus H2 makes ammonia, and which is useful in nitrogenous fertilizers. Second, biological nitrogen fixation. Whenever any living organism convert nitrogen to its component, then it is called biological nitrogen fixation, and it is of two types: asymbiotic and symbiotic. Asymbiotic means the organism live freely and convert nitrogen into its component are called asymbiotic or non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. First, aerobic. Whenever in the presence of oxygen, nitrogen is converted into its compound, then it is called aerobic. Example, azotobacter. Whenever the living organism present in soil freely and in the absence of oxygen, they convert nitrogen into its component, then it is called anaerobic. Example, Clostridium. Third one, BGA. What is BGA? BGA means blue-green algae, and blue-green algae has a special cell called heterocyst, and that cell convert atmospheric nitrogen into its component, and you have to know the element which is required to convert this nitrogen into nitrogen component is molybdenum. So you have to remember the molybdenum is required for these microorganisms to convert nitrogen into its component. Now symbiotic. Symbiotic means the relation in which both the species gets benefit. Means you know that legume plant live with symbiotic association with Rhizobium leguminosarum bacteria, and these bacteria converts atmospheric nitrogen into its component. If they live with the root, then they make a structure which is called nodule in root, and we have to study the mechanism of bacterial infection or nodulation. That we study after this nitrogen cycle. If the stem live in symbiotic condition, then it is called shoot nodule. And example of root nodule, rhizobium and bradyrhizobium. Shoot nodules example is azorhizobium. These bacteria convert nitrogen into its component, and this is called nitrogen fixation. Second step of nitrogen cycle is ammonification. What is ammonification? The process of formation of ammonium compounds from the deintegration of organic matter present in the soil is called ammonification. Inorganic nitrogen absorbed by plant is transformed into organic matter by being assimilated after the death and decay of plants. This organic matter is disintegrated by microorganisms and released as inorganic nitrogen in the atmosphere gases form. This action takes place in the following step by active purifying bacteria present in the soil. The first step is proteolysis. Proteolysis means in this process the protein is dissolved and converted into amino acid. Protein in the presence of Clostridium and Pseudomonas converted into amino acid. Second, deamination. In this process the amino acid disintegrated by bacteria and produced ammonia is released into the atmosphere. Amino acid, some varieties, different varieties of bacillus converted into ammonia. Then the next reaction of nitrogen cycle is nitrification. What is nitrification? Oxidation of ammonia into nitrate is called nitrification. This reaction is completely various type of chemotropic bacteria. This reaction is completed in two stages. First, conversion of ammonia into nitrate. Conversion of ammonia into nitrate. Nitrate in the presence of oxygen and nitromonas bacteria convert into nitrate and give some energy also. Second, conversion of nitrite to nitrate. Nitrite in the presence of oxygen and nitrobacter bacteria, it convert into nitrite and some energy is also provided. Nitrates formed when nitrite is oxidized in the presence of nitrobacter bacteria. Last reaction of nitrogen cycle is denitrification. The conversion of nitrite into nitrogen in the soil by bacteria is called denitrification. This reduces the fertility of the land, and the Bacillus denitrificans and Thiobacillus denitrificans enzyme do this activity. Thus the nitrogen cycle in the above four stages are explained. Nitrite in the presence of Bacillus and Thiobacillus denitrificans convert into nitrogen. This is our nitrogen cycle. Now thanks for today.